other ethnicities to now see what's going on and march together in unison. Like when you look at the majority of the marches, it's extremely multicultural. It's not just African American. But at the same time, with the hipsters moving into the city, gentrification, and another sociological term, ghettoification, taking place, where Section 8 housing and populations over 50,000 in the municipality getting government grants for now what they call townhouses. Where I'm from, it's called projects. But townhouses that are being built in the suburbs. You have the suburbanation of poverty. So now you have suburbanites that are moving to the city and urbanites moving into the suburbs. So urban is now metropolitan. And so when you look at that, at the end of the day, for individuals like where I'm from, this is a very, very, 30,000 foot generalization. Basically, it's how am I going to do me? Like, how am I going to eat? What am I supposed to do? I got to get money now. Where you have career choices for young girls in Atlanta, 5th, 6th, 7th grade, they want to be strippers. Why? Because you get fast money. And if you have a body that will attract, and because of growth hormones and foods and systemic oppression through food deserts in the hood, yes, girls who are 10 look like they're 20. And they're being treated by grown men who know better like they are 20. And they're being tricked out at a young age. So the complexity of what's going on in the Bluff in Atlanta is completely different than what's going on in Alpharetta in Atlanta. Though it's the same metro, the millennial generation is, and from where I'm from, the lower socioeconomic is, how can I eat? How can I do me? How can I come up? I'm gifted, I'm talented, so how can I make this work for me now? In case in point is, I can't tell you how many friends I have that could have worked at Pfizer, but instead of trying to go to college, which systemically it's not built for us to take those culturally biased tests, you take a SAT or ACT, you could get like a 13, because we don't even have to spell our names sometimes, just being honest. The lower educational components, all that complexity now lends us to say, I'm never gonna go to college, never gonna become a doctor, never gonna be great if I could, so if I can't get out through sports or entertainment, I gotta make it happen now. And so rather than trying to go through the right way, a legitimate way to become somebody at Pfizer, teach me how to cook crack, show me how to cook meth, where can I get heroin from and chop it up? Because I need money now, I'm hungry now, I need to eat now. And so there are some complexities and there are some very clear distinctives between the two.